Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download mods for Sims 4 and how to use them in Sims 4. So make sure to subscribe and leave a like if you will find this guide useful. And now we're going to go and download them. So for me, the best source of mods is thesimsresource.com. It is a trusted website and not like a virus or something. So I usually use this. So for example, let's go ahead and download any mod. So for example, let's click on this one. Now once you choose your mod, you want to click download button. Usually it is free. If it's written VIP, then it is paid mod. Now you need to wait a little bit. And after that, you will see download button. You're going to click on it. And you're going to save it to your computer. So now I saved it on my desktop and here it is. It should be just a file with a package ending. Now after that, you need to add it to your mods folder, which is on your files here on documents. You want to click on documents. After that, you want to find electronic arts and then Sims 4. On Sims 4 here you will see mods. You want to go ahead and open it, and if you don't have any mods, then you will see only this resource file, and you want to just drag this file you just downloaded here. After that, just go ahead, close it, and launch your Sims 4. Now you probably will see your mods here, but if you don't, then go to the settings, game options, and then other. And just make sure that enable custom content and mods is checked and just apply the changes. Now, after you have allowed the content and mods, you should be good to go. So that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.